Profitability measures and margin analysis are important metrics to consider in equity analysis. A company's ability to generate a profit and manage expenses has a direct impact on the sustainable growth rate, competitive advantages, and value returned to shareholders. Gross margin is a measure of a company's profitability after the cost of goods is accounted for. The ratio is composed of gross income divided by revenues and expressed as a percentage. The gross margin is based on income statement line items and can be computed on a trailing 12-month basis using the last 4 quarters of data. Gross margin can be read as the percentage of revenue retained after expensing cost of goods sold. A margin of 90% means that a company retains 90 cents of every dollar generated in sales after paying for the inventory. Gross margin charts are useful to view a company's current profitability in relation to historical levels and through different economic cycles. For example, a company with a gross profit margin of 48.1% when compared to the 10-year median gross profit margin of 46.5% would imply that the company is more profitable now as it is contributing more of each dollar to the bottom line than it has in the past. Gross margin charts can also show the range of historical profitability levels. A tighter range may imply less overall volatility. Gross margin charts can also be used to compare one stock to its peer, industry average, or to a broad market index. Advantages of profitability metrics include that they are easy to compute and to understand. Disadvantages include that peer groups can be difficult to define and some companies may not have similar cost structures. An investor might look for stocks with a current gross profit margin value above historical levels or above peer levels. A thorough analysis would include other data and metrics as well. Cyclical stocks have a wide dispersion between peaks and troughs, making profitability analysis difficult. Investors must evaluate the current ratio carefully within the context of the economic or business cycle.